In this lesson, we will solve the rational equation 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 equals 3/4. We'll carefully note domain restrictions, solve algebraically, and verify the result graphically. First, domain restrictions. We cannot plug in values that make a denominator 0. So x cannot be -1, and x cannot be 1. Let's mark these on a number line with open circles. Now we solve. We combine the fractions using a common denominator, the product x minus 1 times x plus 1. The combined fraction becomes 2x over x squared minus 1 equals 3/4. Because our denominators are not 0, we can safely clear denominators. Multiply both sides by 4 times x squared minus 1. That gives 8x equals 3 times x squared minus 1. So 8x equals 3x squared minus 3. Bring all terms to one side to get 3x squared minus 8x minus 3 equals 0. Now solve the quadratic using the quadratic formula. X equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Here, it is 3, b is -8, and c is -3. Substituting, x equals 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 plus 36, all over 6. That is, x equals 8 plus or minus the square root of 100 over 6. So x equals 8 plus 10 over 6, or x equals 8 minus 10 over 6. The solutions are x equals 3 and x equals -1/3. Check against the domain. Neither 3 nor -1/3 equals -1 or 1, so both solutions are valid. Let's verify graphically by plotting the left side and the right side. We'll graph f of x equals 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1, and the horizontal line y equals 3/4. We'll also draw vertical asymptotes at x equals -1 and x equals 1. Notice the intersection points at x equals 3 and x equals -1/3. Summary. We combined fractions, cleared denominators after stating domain restrictions, solved a quadratic to find x equals 3 and x equals -1/3, and confirmed these by graphing.